Hi everyone. So at the spring launch that we had last night in Ottawa, we were talking with other consultants and I thought this was a great idea. One of the consultants on my team suggested to do a tip of the week. So every Tuesday I'm going to try and post a quick little tip, and these are just things that I've picked up from other people who are way smarter than me. So for this week's Tuesday, so it's what am I calling this? Tip Tuesday? Tuesday tip? Whatever it is. I put a hashtag on this thing, whatever it is, Tuesday tip. Yes, that's what it is about your garbage from your food. So everyone that is my customer knows what this is. This is the Pampered Chef garlic press. And why do I love it so much? Because I love garlic, and because you don't have to peel the garlic clove when you put it in there and you squeeze it out, and then there's a little thing to clean it. But what do you do with the garlic skin after? Most people just throw it out or they compost it. But if you keep a Ziploc bag in your freezer, just throw that in there. Throw the little garlic garbage into a Ziploc in your freezer. You can also put the peels from your onion, the peel from your garlic, the ends of your onions, the just other vegetable scraps, and just fill that Ziploc bag and keep it in your freezer. And then when it's time, when it gets full, you can just throw it all in a pot with water and make vegetable stock. I thought this was such a smart idea. Definitely not mine. I'm not going to take credit for it, but I love the idea and I thought I would pass it along. You can also just throw some of that stuff in with chicken bones and you've got a really delicious chicken broth. So lots of great ideas. If you have a great tip about what to do with scrap food so that you don't waste it, drop it in the comments so other people can benefit. Okay? Hope you enjoy this week's and the first Tuesday tip from John. Isn't that great? I'm going to do this every week. Exciting. Tell your friends. Bye.